GEVO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Gevo Incorporated is a buy or not for me, so make sure to watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. It's the same exact thing, the same exact approach as all my other ticker symbols that you see on the watch list. So simple, yeah, man, like I'm still looking to take it up. I mean, we just recently did a pretty good job of just going up. And the thing about this is that I'm still looking to take it up. The only way that I'll actually do so, like I'm only going to have the green light to do so, is if the price pulls down inside my demand area here and then gives me this double break, then we're speaking. But other than that, I really would not care at all. Like, I would not even touch it. So again, I'm just sticking to strategy that I've refined over 33,000 videos over the last 4 years. Spent thousands of dollars on course, cement trips and all that. Since we're sitting at the top, I want to see a little retracements, and then when interesting stuff happens. But obviously, I will wait. I will not force anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.